The real cause of vertical ridges on your nails. Your fingernails and toenails are made of keratin, a hard substance that is composed of dried out, hardened skin cells. Normally, the nails should be shiny, smooth, and have a consistent pink tone beneath them. However, the nails frequently start to change in appearance when something is wrong with your body because the skin cells and keratin stop forming properly. For instance, if you are zinc deficient, you might get white spots or specks in your nails. When your stomach isn't absorbing enough minerals like iron or calcium, your nails may become brittle and split easily. Or if your body isn't using iron or vitamin B12 properly, which results in poor oxygen flow to the nail matrix, you might develop vertical ridges. Be aware that having tiny, fine lines running from the top to the base of the nail is completely normal. However, if these ridges start to grow larger and deeper, it means that the body is experiencing a more serious issue. Under the nails are nerve centers, which are among the first to be impacted when something is wrong with the body. In this video, we are going to explore the 6 main causes of deeper vertical ridges on the nails, and how to fix this using nutrition and natural remedies. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. The number 1 on my list is anemia, iron and B12 deficiency. A lack of iron or B12 is the first and most common cause of deep vertical ridges. Heme iron and vitamin B12 are essential for the human body to produce healthy red blood cells, which nourish the nails and other body tissues. B12 in particular is crucial for protecting the nerves attached to the nail matrix, so that they can continue to function normally and support the development of strong keratin nail cells. You become anemic and develop vertical ridges when you are lacking in either of these nutrients. Because their digestive system is not absorbing enough iron, some people also begin to develop spoon-shaped nails. The number 2 on my list is plant-based diet. Unfortunately, because B12 and heme iron are primarily found in animal-based foods, vegans and vegetarians frequently discover that they are deficient in it. This can be avoided by taking nutritional supplements and consuming a lot of microalgae, which are rich in essential proteins and B12, respectively. Since heme iron may not be available to vegans, you should concentrate on enhancing elemental iron absorption, which I'll cover in more detail later in the video. Number 3 is digestive problems. You need a robust and healthy digestive system in order to absorb the vitamins and minerals, such as iron, calcium, folate, and B12, that support healthy nails. You might not be absorbing enough of these nutrients if you frequently experience bloating, gas, indigestion, acid reflux, heartburn, or inflammation in your colon. You can overcome this by using products like apple cider vinegar, betaine hydrochloric, digestive enzymes, and bile to strengthen your digestive juices and increase the amount of these nail-strengthening nutrients that are absorbed. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn all notifications on to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Thyroid problems. A medical condition called onychorrhexis, or deep vertical ridges, is also related to having an underactive thyroid. A gland in your neck called the thyroid regulates several aspects of your metabolism, including the development of your nails. Due to improper B12 and iron utilization, which results in anemia, people with an underactive thyroid gland frequently experience nail breakage, ridges, and brittleness. Number 5 is high cortisol. Many people endure emotional stress for weeks, months, or even years at a time, which can increase the stress hormone cortisol. This is the body's method of conserving energy for a fight or flight situation, but over time, it can deplete your biotin levels, another nutrient required for the growth of shiny, healthy nails. Furthermore, prolonged periods of stress weaken the nervous system, which might obstruct the proper supply of oxygen and nutrients to the nail matrix. 6 on my list is nail biting. Stress and anxiety can cause some people to bite their nails excessively, which can harm the nail's nerves and cause blood flow issues. If this is a consistent problem, you might need to learn how to manage your stress and wear gloves more frequently in an effort to break the habit. How to strengthen your nails. Now that you have an understanding on what's causing the ridges on your nails, let's take a look at 6 natural ways to reverse these ridges so that they can grow back healthily. Eat foods rich in heme iron and vitamin B12 on a regular basis, including grass-fed red meat, shellfish, oysters, pasture-raised eggs, and wild salmon. If you live on a plant-based diet, consume chlorella, the best vegan source of B12. You can get non-heme iron from lentils, chia seeds, hemp seeds, and pumpkin seeds, but you may also need to supplement with methylcobalamin. Strengthen your stomach and your ability to absorb these nutrients by drinking 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water before each meal. This helps your stomach to absorb more minerals and B vitamins in order to replenish the radial and ulnar nerves beneath the nail bed. Eat 2-3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast daily, on your salad, in your soup, stir fries, in yogurt, or over eggs. This is a powerhouse food loaded with B vitamins and trace minerals that support nail growth and keratinization. If you often feel uptight or stressed out, this is the food for you, as it can relax you almost immediately after eating it. Request a blood test from your doctor to check your thyroid levels. This will help to identify if there is a deeper problem with your thyroid. On the cosmetic level, you can apply coconut oil regularly with a Q-tip into the cracks and ridges in your nail. This will help to strengthen them and moisturize the cells underneath. This can help to prevent the ridges from deepening, but it's vital to get to the root cause of the problem by using the other steps outlined today. Nutritional supplements for vertical ridges on nails. Finally, I'd like to share a few nutritional supplements that have been shown to help improve nail quality and further help to eliminate vertical ridges if you wish to use them. Evening primrose oil. Taking a daily supplement of evening primrose oil helps to balance out hormones, particularly in women but also in men. This is a great source of biotin, B7, which improves nail strength and health. Cod liver oil. Cod liver oil is an all-around health booster that's loaded with DHA and EPA, 2 omega-3 fatty acids that are needed to build the membranes around your nerves, and also lowering inflammation caused by high stress or iron B12 deficiencies. Digestive enzymes. If you have digestive problems, there are digestive enzyme blends available which also contain ox bile and betaine hydrochloric. These supplements are used to improve the quality of your digestive juices, helping to ease bloating, gas, and indigestion, whilst also helping the small intestine absorb nutrients like B12, iron, B7, calcium, etc. So this was all about my today's video. Thank you so much for watching. A like is always appreciated. And remember to subscribe and tap the bell for healthy videos, and as always I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. I'll be back with the great video next time. Until that, take of yourself.